Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in. 每周打卡。Here's the question for you. 你最喜欢什么运动？你最喜欢什么运动？ What's your favorite sport? 喜欢 means like. 最 is to indicate the most. 运动 means sport. Here are your options. Let's read them out. 骑马，游泳，跑步，足球，篮球，网球，乒乓球，羽毛球。The sentence structure we use to answer the question is this one. 我最喜欢 Add the sport you like the most to complete the sentence. For example, my favorite is swimming. In Chinese, it's 我最喜欢游泳。How about you? 你最喜欢什么运动？ Answer it in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.